There is one animal on Earth that can live forever. It does not grow old. It does not die from age. For thousands of years, humans have searched for the secret of eternal life. And this tiny animal, smaller than your fingernail, already has it. What is it? And how is this possible? Let's find out. But first, this video will also help you learn English. So, let me show you how to watch it. Rule 1. Do not try to understand every word. That is not the goal. Just follow the story. Rule 2. When you hear a new word, keep listening. I will explain it. Try to guess the meaning from the situation. Rule 3. It is okay if you do not understand everything. That is normal. Watch this video again tomorrow, and you will understand more. Rule 4. Read the words on the screen while you listen. This is how children learn a language, by listening to interesting things again and again. Now back to our animal that cannot die. For all of human history, people have wanted to live forever. Kings searched for magic water. Doctors searched for special medicine. But no human has ever escaped death. To escape means to get away from something. No one can escape growing old. No one. Except this. This is the immortal jellyfish. Immortal means something that never dies. It lives in the ocean, and it is very, very small, only about 4 millimeters. You could hold 100 of them in one hand. It looks weak. It looks ordinary. Ordinary means normal, nothing special, but it is not ordinary at all. So, how does it never die? Here is the amazing part. Most animals have one life. They're born, they grow up, they grow old, and they die. The arrow of life points in only one direction, forward. But the immortal jellyfish can do something impossible. It can turn back time. When this jellyfish is hurt, or sick, or very old, it does not die. Instead, its body begins to change. It begins to transform. Transform means to change completely into something new. The old jellyfish slowly transforms back into a baby. Think about that for a moment. Imagine an old man with gray hair slowly becoming a small child again. That is what this jellyfish does. It reverses its life. Reverse means to go backward. It reverses from old to young. But how is this possible? Inside every living thing are tiny building blocks called cells. A cell is the smallest part of the body. Your body has billions of them. Normally, cells can only grow older, but the cells of this jellyfish can change their job and become young again. The jellyfish becomes a baby, grows up, and lives a whole new life. And then it can do it again, and again, and again. In theory, forever. So, has anyone ever seen it die of old age? No. In the laboratory, scientists watched these jellyfish reverse their age over and over. They simply refused to die. But wait, If this animal can live forever, why is the ocean not completely full of them? Here is the honest answer. Immortal does not mean impossible to kill. The jellyfish can still be eaten by a bigger fish. It can still get sick. It can die in many ways. It just never dies from one thing: old age. It has not escaped everything. It has escaped only time. And there is one last surprise. This tiny jellyfish has quietly traveled the entire world. It hides in the water carried inside big ships, and the ships take it to new oceans. So today, you can find the immortal jellyfish in seas all around the planet. A tiny creature that beat death is now almost everywhere, and almost no one notices it. Now, let's review the 6 words you learned today. Listen and repeat after me if you can. Immortal. Never dying. The jellyfish is immortal. Escape. To get away from something. No one can escape time. Ordinary. Normal, nothing special. It looks ordinary, but it is not. Transform. To change completely. The old jellyfish transforms into a baby. Reverse. To go backward. It can reverse its age. Cell. The smallest part of the body. Our bodies are made of cells. Very good. You just learned 6 useful English words from a story you'll never forget. Now, let's hear the story one more time, slowly. Just relax and listen. Don't worry about understanding every word. Let the English come to you. In the deep ocean lives a tiny animal. It is smaller than your fingernail. It looks ordinary, but it is not ordinary. It is called the immortal jellyfish. Immortal means it never dies. When it becomes old or sick, its body begins to transform. It changes. It reverses. The old jellyfish slowly becomes young again, like a baby. The tiny cells inside its body can become young again. So the jellyfish grows up and lives once more, and again, and again. It cannot be killed by time. It has escaped old age. No other animal on Earth can do this. A tiny, silent creature that found the secret humans have wanted forever. Did you understand more the second time? That is your English growing. Watch this video again tomorrow. You will understand even more. I promise. And if you want another amazing story like this one, subscribe. A new fact is already waiting for you. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video.